First things first, jump in the car. There should be two little covers here and another cover underneath this, so you just need a flat head to open all those up. It'll release and show two little screws. Get yourself a screwdriver and just undo them both. Nice and easy, fellas, nice and easy. And then once you do that, door card trim should be loose once you've done all that. Okay, nice and easy, nice and easy. Now what you need to do is, if you've got a prying tool, do it. If not, you've got a flat head, you can use that. And then what you need to do is you need to edge it into this edge. But what this may do to your car is it may obviously scratch your paint. So if you care, then make sure you get a tool. If not, you just need a little light pry on each corner, and then it should pop off. And I will try and do this and show you guys if I can. You should hear a little pop, and then just keep going all the way around until it all pops off. There should be a couple. Have a check on the menu online, you should be able to see it. Once this is off, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Once you move the little clips, they should look something like this, and they should all pop out pretty easily. Once you've done that, you've got this little triangle piece if you're doing the rears. And then what you need to do is, again, find a wedge and pop this bad boy out. Once you've done that, you should see a clip there. Of course it went under the car. That way you can access this side so you can pull it out. And then once you've done that, once you remove all the trim, you should, if you can see here, it's a lot more loose. The trim should be able to move a little bit. And then you just need to pull it out. I'll try and show you guys as well. Looks like it's not coming out all the way. I'm learning this as you are. I'm going to remove this piece because it seems like something in the middle is holding it together. So when you do that, there should be a little piece here. Put that in there and just pop it up. That'll pry it up a little bit, and that should give you some access. And just put it up all the way around, and that should remove this little piece here. And we're going to see if it makes a difference. Okay, so this should come out very easily. Be careful because there's going to be a cable. What you need to do, disconnect this cable here. There should be a little clip just here, and you just got to press it down on both sides, and then you just got to pull them both out. Try and do this. Try and do this with one hand while showing you guys. It's a little bit difficult. Alright, I'm gonna have to pause this so I can show you guys. So to remove that middle bit, I tried to unclip these. They wouldn't come out, so I just took off the whole piece. This would be your electrical switch that goes here, so it was stuck on top of it. There are two little grooves. Basically, if you unclip them, this will slowly come out. To give you guys an idea, it would have looked like this. So on the inside, it's connected by these two bits here. So once you unscrew those, unclip them, they'll just slowly come out. All right, so undoing this, looks like there is another screw that was in there. So looks like they're not like your typical other 90s pieces. So I'm gonna undo just this one here. And this middle piece should hopefully be the last piece to remove this little cover. Alright, looks like that's out. Okay, looks a lot looser now. There should be one more just here. Okay, and then we'll just undo that last. By the look of it, it looks like the last one. Okay, now that that's done, look at that. The whole thing's loose now. So once you should be able to take everything out, then you just gotta lift it up, and it should slide off just like that. And then that should hopefully be it. There you go. Done. She's out. But be careful, there's still one more cable here that holds up the unlock. So you do need to remove that cable to get off the whole thing.